A virtual private network, or VPN, allows you to securely connect to the district network and its resources. This means you can access your G Drive files, submit time off in Workforce, get software bundles from ZenWorks, and more, all without being on the district Wi-Fi. But first, you have to install the client.
If you already have VPN access, connect to the client and refresh ZenWorks. If you do not currently have VPN access, you'll have to go to your closest U-46 district location and connect to the Wi-Fi.
This will be the last time you'll have to do this, as the VPN allows you to access the district resources needed without being physically on site. Once you are on site, verify your device has automatically connected to the U-46 DoD Wi-Fi network. Next, open your Zen launcher, and then in the bottom left corner, click the refresh button. This will pull any bundles or anything new that has been pushed to you, including this new VPN client. Once it is finished refreshing, you'll see this new icon called FortiClient VPN. Double-click to install that, and you'll see the progress bar, and it's installed. To verify that it has installed successfully, go down to your taskbar, and you'll see this green badge with a little lock, and you can see that you are connected.
Now, whenever you want to access district network resources, all you have to do is connect to the VPN.
So here's what makes this update different from how we've had it in the past. When you're logging into your computer for the first time, click Sign In Options, and you'll see a familiar icon. Click this and you'll be able to sign into your computer with the VPN client. Enter your normal username and password.
For those of you who don't need the VPN, feel free to log in however you like.
And that's it. You're automatically connected to the VPN as you log into your computer. Just a heads up for those of you with the Dell staff model where you can log in with your face, make sure your laptop camera is not pointed at your face or it will automatically log you in and bypass the VPN method. Or you can just keep your mask on while you log in.